All right, now this is what you call a perfect day to film. Holy. What's up, guys? How's it going? Markford 408. We got Mr. James. Hope you guys are in a warm, dry place right now. Yeah, we're out here getting after it. Could be chilling at home, but no, we decided to come out in a friggin' rainstorm. I shit you not, half hour ago, it was full sunny and almost blue skies. Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna get this Dodge money.
Yeah, where we're going.
Well, first part, literally just right over there. That'll be like, yeah, just the edge of the deep grass. Obviously, don't go in the deep grass, okay. But and then after we'll go down there. Here, I'll walk through your truck. Best part about this OGO umbrella, it's always freaking cloudy, sunny, blue skies underneath. Hey, good luck out there. You're probably gonna need 4x4. Okay. Oh my god. Hopefully I don't get struck by freaking lightning. And sorry for the audio. She's raining hard, but it looks like it's gonna clear up in a few minutes. Look, there's freaking red sky sunset over there. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what this thing's got. See how sloppy it is over there. That's not too bad. Oh, look at the mud. What's that? Oh, you can do whatever you want. That's mud. Oh, today. I thought he was going to cover me for sure. Oh, beauty rainstorm, guys. Look at this. Hey, at least he won't need a friggin' wash after. That's all I'm worried about. Look at the mud. I'm sure all you guys can hear is frickin' rain noise right now. That's fine. See, we were gonna do this on a sunny day, but rainstorm's way more fun to film in. Look at the rain. Just waiting for him to pepper me. This is how we trim the lawn here at Plever Mills, the old Freeman compound. This is why we get all the rain ruts too. Oh man. What's that?
Can't get rid of all the nannies.
You're getting a free car wash, eh? You can't hold down traction control?
No, traction control, the stability I can't unless I pull a fuse.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, I know where the fuse box is.
You can try it.
That's up to you. Alright, yeah, we can go down there and go find some more mud. I'll hop in somehow. Alright, let her dance. We got the gas light on, we're good to go. Watch out for the lawn chairs. Yeah. Beauty day to find some mud. Okay, well this is the muddy part back here.
Oh, there's the Dakota.
Yeah. Big rut right here. So yeah, there's lots of mud right there. Yep. I'll grab that piece of plastic so you don't hit it. Yeah, no, and then the puddle's over there. But yeah, you can rip up all this as much as you want. Oh yeah, rain's just about done, but yeah, you can see all the rain ruts there. I don't even know where I'm gonna stand. Good old Dodge. They're good for mud. Everyone's gonna be like, that's not mudding. I'll show you mud. Oh, looks like he's going for the puddle. We got car shrapnel everywhere down here. Every time I clean it up, I just break 10 more pieces off. It's deep. Stand on top of the Cadillac. This is our mudding area. Lots of fun. Then we leave nice ruts for the dirt bikes after. Puddle is getting deep. Oh, close that window. We have mud everywhere. 4x4. And his gas lights on, that's the best part. Come here. There he goes. I can't believe you have your window open.
Oh, I know.
What'd you say?
You reckon do two-wheel drive?
I made it through in two-wheel drive. You gonna try?
This way better?
Sure. The lip's on the other side.
Yeah.
So look at the friggin' mud. Oh, shut your window. I guess it's not gonna stop raining. It never ends down here. This is why I need to groom the track every week too. You get all these damn rain runs. The track's on a bit of a hill. Oh well, at least you get a free car wash. Except as soon as we're done, it'll stop raining. Oh, what's he doing? Already stuck? This puddle, let me tell you, it makes a lot of money for being such a puny little puddle. Just clickbaits everyone, I guess. Yeah, what's it gonna be? Big two-wheel drive. Oh, I left the window open on the Durango there. Easy peasy. We're not safe anywhere on this track. There we go. Gotta light up some nice 4x4 donuts there. Of course, it stops raining as soon as we're almost done, eh?
I got 2 months left though.
Ish. Good enough.
I can try and see if it'll spin around in all four.
Yeah, whip a few just like right over there.
Just don't catch a rope.
And then we'll go wash this thing off. Or try to at least.
Yeah.
Whew. Nothing better than cooked mud. Too far. Oh yeah. Flick that mud all over the highway. Ooh, some reverse ones. Sliding entrance. Woo! Thing looks mean. That was a nice little donut set you got going there.
Got going a little bit?
Yeah, I got the got her figured out there.
Just understeer so badly.
Yeah, it's tricky too because the track's on a bit of a hill, so you always end up sliding to the left there.
Yeah.
So I guess I don't really need the umbrella anymore.
No.
Well, I'd say you did pretty good. Pretty good. Not too bad.
Yeah, I wanted to get that out of my system with this truck for a while.
Yeah, you haven't taken the mudding yet?
Not, yes and no.
Not this bad?
Trails, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get the float donuts yet.
Yeah, okay. Sweet. Well, let's head up to the barn. You didn't lose your mud flap, so that's always a win.
I also couldn't see out my side windows, even know where I was.
Yeah, I know. That's the thing about mud now. Just hold her wide open, hope for the best.
Yep.
All right, let's go clean this thing off. Maybe get her ripping down the highway real fast. See if the water will clean off your wheel wells a little bit.
It might. Yeah, you can try that.
All right, let's do this. Just gonna go hit the gas station real quick, then we're gonna pressure wash that unit off. Mine, on the other hand, is clean. Even when I took a mud in there a few weeks ago, it didn't actually get too muddy. I was surprised. I figured underneath would be completely muddy, but actually there was barely any at all, just a wheel well. So, oh, look at that. Beauty night again. All right, let's go for a wash. Woo! Look at this thing. They just parked right on the edge of the lawn there. Look at the rim. Didn't get much mud off it. We'll try. Oh yeah, look at that cake. All right, well that was fun. Always fun to get the trucks muddy. Mine stayed somewhat clean this time. But yeah, we'll wrap this one up for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, James, for coming out. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. And if you want to bring your truck out and do some mudding, let me know. We'll go get her muddy, since all it does is rain now anyway. Hopefully we get some good snow this winter. But thank you guys again. Make sure you leave some comments and suggestions. And don't do anything we wouldn't do. We'll see you later.